The air in Jerusalem crackled. It was thick with anticipation. A palpable energy pulsed through the ancient stone streets. Worshippers from across the globe had gathered. Jews, Christians, and Muslims alike felt the shift. Something extraordinary was about to unfold. The city, a beacon for millennia, held its breath. The Western Wall hummed with silent prayers. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre overflowed with whispered hopes. The Al-Aqsa Mosque resonated with the faithful's murmurs. This was Jerusalem, a city eternally bound to the divine. It was a place where the veil between heaven and earth felt thin, and on this night, it would become thinner still. A hush fell over the city. The cacophony of daily life ceased. The wind, which usually danced through the alleyways, grew still. Then, a whisper, soft as silk, echoed through the air. It spoke of peace, of love, of something beyond human comprehension. The whisper grew louder, evolving into a chorus of voices. The light intensified, splitting the heavens above Jerusalem, and there, descending from the blinding brilliance, was the Archangel Michael. Wings spread wide, a beacon of pure light, he touched down upon the Temple Mount. The earth trembled, not with fear, but with awe. Jerusalem, a city that stands as a living testament to the passage of time and the resilience of the human spirit. A city steeped in history, where every stone and pathway tells a story, echoing the footsteps of countless generations. Its stones whispered tales of prophets and kings, of dreams and destinies shaped by divine will. It was a place where empires had risen and fallen, leaving behind ruins that speak of glory and downfall, of human ambition and divine intervention. Where faiths had taken root and flourished, each adding its own layer to the rich tapestry of belief and tradition. For millennia, Jerusalem had been a testament to humanity's enduring search for meaning, a quest for understanding the mysteries of existence, for connection with something greater than themselves, a place where the divine and the mortal meet in a sacred dance. It was the city of Abraham's sacrifice, a testament to faith, where the ultimate act of devotion was etched into the annals of time. It was the site of Jesus' crucifixion and resurrection, a symbol of hope and redemption that has inspired millions across the ages. A place where the light of faith shines brightly, illuminating the path of those who seek solace and salvation. It was the place where Muhammad ascended to heaven, a beacon of divine revelation that continues to guide the faithful. A site of pilgrimage and prayer where the heavens seem to touch the earth and the divine whispers to the hearts of believers. And now, with Michael's arrival, a new chapter was about to unfold in this ancient city. Jerusalem was once again at the heart of a profound spiritual event, a crossroads of faith and a cradle of hope, where the past and the present converged to shape the future. The warrior angel, Michael's legacy of protection. Michael, the warrior angel, the defender of faith, has been a figure of immense reverence and awe throughout the ages. His story is one of unwavering dedication to the protection of humanity and the divine order. Michael, the warrior angel, the defender of faith. His name is synonymous with strength and resilience. In the annals of religious history, Michael stands as a towering figure, a beacon of hope and a bulwark against the forces of darkness. His name resonated with power, with unwavering strength against darkness. Michael's very essence is a testament to the enduring battle between good and evil, a battle that he has fought tirelessly on behalf of humanity. His presence is a reminder that even in the face of overwhelming odds, the light of righteousness can never be extinguished. In the hearts of believers, he represented courage, justice, and the triumph of good over evil. Michael's legacy is not just one of combat, but of inspiration. He embodies the virtues that many strive to uphold: bravery in the face of fear, justice in the face of wrongdoing, and hope in the face of despair. His presence in Jerusalem, a city that had known its share of conflict and sorrow, was a balm on a wounded world. Jerusalem, a city steeped in history and spiritual significance, found in Michael a guardian who watched over its people, offering them solace and protection in times of turmoil. He stood as a testament to the enduring power of faith. Michael's unwavering stance in the face of adversity serves as a powerful reminder of the strength that faith can provide. His image, whether in art or in the hearts of the faithful, is a symbol of the unyielding spirit that faith can inspire. His presence was a promise, a reassurance that even in the darkest of times hope remained. Michael's legacy is one of comfort and assurance. To those who feel lost or afraid, his image brings a sense of peace, and the promise that they are never truly alone. He was a symbol of divine protection, a reminder that humanity was not alone in its struggles. Michael's protective nature is a cornerstone of his legacy. He is seen as a guardian who stands watch over humanity, shielding them from harm and guiding them through their darkest hours. His arrival in Jerusalem was a beacon of light, a sign that a new chapter was about to unfold. The sight of Michael descending upon the city was a powerful symbol of hope and renewal. It signified the dawn of a new era, one where the forces of good would prevail and the light of hope would shine brightly once more. Touched by the divine, a world transformed. In the heart of the ancient city of Jerusalem, a transformation was unfolding that would ripple across the globe. The impact of Michael's arrival was immediate and profound. His presence was like a beacon of light piercing through the darkness, touching the hearts and souls of everyone who witnessed it. News spread like wildfire, carried on the wings of the wind itself. Every media outlet, every social media platform buzzed with the extraordinary news. The world was captivated, glued to their screens, eager to witness the unfolding miracle. People across the globe felt a shift, a surge of hope coursing through their veins. It was as if a collective sigh of relief was breathed by humanity, a newfound optimism that transcended borders and cultures. Skepticism crumbled in the face of such undeniable divinity. Those who had doubted, who had questioned the very existence of miracles, found themselves transformed. Belief was no longer a matter of faith alone, it was a matter of undeniable experience. The world watched, breathless, as Jerusalem became the epicenter of a spiritual awakening. Pilgrims from every corner of the earth flocked to the city, drawn by the magnetic pull of something greater than themselves. In the streets of Jerusalem, miracles unfolded. The sick were healed, the blind saw, the lame walked. Each miracle was a testament to the divine presence that had graced the city, a reminder of the boundless possibilities that lay within the realm of faith. But the most significant miracle was the one that bloomed in the hearts of the people. It was a transformation of spirit, a rekindling of hope and love that had long been buried under the weight of despair and conflict. Walls of division crumbled, replaced by a shared sense of wonder and unity. People who had once been adversaries found common ground, their differences overshadowed by the overwhelming sense of connection and purpose. The age-old conflicts that had plagued the city seemed to melt away in the face of such overwhelming love and grace. Jerusalem, a city long defined by its divisions, was now a symbol of unity and peace. The world watched in awe, inspired by the possibility of a future where love and understanding could triumph over hatred and discord. As the sun rose over Jerusalem, it heralded not just a new day, but a new era. An era where the divine touched the mundane, where miracles were not just stories of the past, but living, breathing realities. The world had been transformed, and with it, the hearts of its people. This transformation was not just a fleeting moment, but a lasting change. It was a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there is always a glimmer of hope, a spark of the divine waiting to ignite the hearts of humanity. And so, the world moved forward, forever changed by the events in Jerusalem. People carried the lessons of love, unity, and hope into their daily lives, building a future that honored the divine spark within each of us. A world transformed, touched by the divine, and forever united in the shared journey of faith and love.